Hello children. In the simple harmonic motion, we have the next topic, that is relation for the time period in simple harmonic motion. In the last topic, we have proved for the acceleration A is equal to minus omega square y. If we take the magnitude of the acceleration, mod A, that is equal to omega square y, or we can write mod A upon y, that is equals to omega square, or we can write omega is equal to under root mod A upon y. We know omega is equal to 2 pi upon capital T. This is angular displacement, this is total time period. For one complete revolution, angular displacement is 2 pi and the time taken is capital T. So this is equation number first. Equation number second, we can compare first and second. So we can write here 2 pi upon T is equal to under root mod A upon y. Now taking reciprocal, so we can write here T upon 2 pi, that is equals to under root y upon mod A, or we can write T is equal to 2 pi under root y upon mod A. So we can write that T is equal to 2 pi, y is displacement, upon mod A is acceleration. Similarly, we can calculate the frequency also. We know frequency is reciprocal of time. So we can write here that is equals to 1 upon 2 pi under root mod A upon y. So this is the relation for the frequency. Next topic is relation for the time period in a spring. Let us consider a horizontal spring and a block of mass m is attached with the horizontal spring. Let K is spring constant of spring, m is mass of block, let force is applied on the block, this is applied force, and due to applied force, extension produced in the block. This is extension X, this is applied force. When applied force is released due to restoring force, this body regain its position, come to this is mean position. You can say here this is a mean position. And from the mean position, it goes towards other extreme position. So it started to oscillate. Now, we can say according to Hooke's law, applied force directly proportional to the displacement. Mod is the applied force, mod is the displacement. And we can say applied force is equal to the restoring force. The magnitude of the restoring force and the applied force, they are equal to each other, but their direction is opposite, so negative sign is taken here. So minus F proportional to X, or we can write minus F is equal to K into X, where K is constant, or it is known as spring constant or force constant. So we can say F is equal to minus K into X. This is equation number first. Let small a is acceleration produced in block. So according to Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to ma, equation number second. So from first and second we can say ma is equal to minus kx, a is equal to minus k by m into x. Or from here k by m is constant, so we can write a directly proportional to minus x. Acceleration is directly proportional to the displacement. Negative sign shows their direction is opposite, so we can say this is simple harmonic motion. Now we can take modulus of acceleration here. This is mod a is equal to k by m into x. For the simple harmonic motion, we know t is equal to 2 pi under root displacement upon mod a. So t is equal to 2 pi. In the topic displacement is x, mod a is equal to, this is kx by m. It will be cancelled. So t is equal to 2 pi under root m by k. Here mass is, we can write here, this is inertia factor. Because inertia depend upon mass, according to Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to ma. And k is known as spring constant. So the second relation for the time period in the simple harmonic motion, t is equal to 2 pi under root inertia factor upon spring constant.